Hi guys, welcome to this video. It's about the Dyson uh, Purifier, and we just changed the filter. This is the old one, and we changed it with the new one and reset everything. But it still shows severe. Now, we clean everything inside, but it's still showing severe on the on the sensors. So what you need to do is so simple. We change the filter and everything. We actually just wipe it, but we forgot to clean the sensors, which is this one here. This is the sensor. So we just need to vacuum it because maybe it's clogged. Need to clean it, and we'll see how it goes. So we're just gonna vacuum it. Okay, so we just vacuumed it. This part, this is the sensor where it says it has like severe air conditions. So let's turn it on. Boom! Magic. See? It's now green. Wow. So easy, right? So from purple severe to green, which is very good. Thank you guys for watching. That's it. Bye.